Today, we are going to show you one of our DIY sewing dolls, Unicorn. Let's get the sewing started. Woohoo! This sewing DIY kit is international and very child-friendly, so any children aged 5 or above can make them easily. We have invited some children in Hong Kong to join our sewing party. Let's take a look what we've got in the sewing kits. First, we've got the safety needle. It is a plastic needle so that children won't get pricked. They can start their own sewing project safely. Cotton is also included in this toolkit so that children can stuff them in while they are sewing the dolls. We've also got pre-cut fabric with holes on it, so that children can make their dolls easily without having the need to cut the fabric or have a hard time to pierce through the fabric. After laying out all the materials, you can follow the simple step-by-step instructions included with clear illustrations to start making the unicorn. This all-in-one sewing kit is good for kids to develop fine motor skills, learn basic sewing skills, which is a practical life skill, and train eye-hand coordination. Let your children create their own dolls in a safe and fun way while learning a wonderful and practical life skill.